If you're a cold email agency or a company trying out cold email for the first time and looking for the best and most affordable cold email infrastructure to use in 2026, well, then you clicked on the right video. All right. So I'm going to go over number one, the most affordable, number two, the best quality, and number three, the best deliverability email infrastructure that we've seen in 2026. All right. So let's just jump into it. Now, essentially, before I go into kind of what we're using, I want to go into the breakdown of how cold email actually works. Now, essentially, you have one inbox. Now, each inbox can send a max capacity of 50 cold emails per day. And again, it could be more, but we just like to have that threshold just because anything more kind of dwindles down the deliverability. Now, out of the 50, 25 of these are cold emails. These are sent to cold prospects on your list from Apollo, SalesNav, wherever you're getting the list from. And the other 25 is warm-up emails. These warm-up emails are sent out to protect your cold email accounts, okay? Now, essentially, we do this 50-50 split. So these 25 are constantly sending per day to make sure that, again, any emails that land in spam get taken out. And it's like a whole pool, a whole system that's structured. The 25 cold is to actually book calls and close deals for your company. Okay. Now, essentially, how the math checks out is you have 100 cold email inboxes that has, with the math here, 25 emails a day, 20 sending days throughout the month. That's 50,000 emails per month. Okay. Now, with the industry standard of a 3% reply rate, you're going to receive roughly 1,500 replies per month. Now, again, this depends on your offer. This depends on deliverability. This depends on a lot of factors, but this is why it's the average. And with an 8% interest to reply rate, meaning 8% of the people come from here, right, which is 120, that includes 120 opportunities per month, interest to replies. And how the math checks out, right, for example, right, if, let's say you book in 50% of these people into your, to book in a call for your company, which is, again, a pretty, average standard, right? That's 60 booked calls per month. Right? If you close just 10% of the deals, that's 6 closed deals per month. Even if you charge like $3 to $5 grand, right, you're making 18 grand a month off of a $400 per month investment, which is for the inboxes. Okay. Now, again, you can see the ROI here. It's pretty good. And this is kind of our main acquisition system we use for our company internally. And that's why it works so well. Now, how do you actually get this set up? Now, what we do is we set up these accounts through a two-step process. First step is we go and we purchase domains from Porkbun. Now, Porkbun, it's super simple. It's a domain registrar. You essentially just purchase your domains here, and then that's that. So, for example, what I like to do, I'll go to like Claude, for example, and I'll say, make me 50 domains for my cold email accounts. Here is my initial domain, and I'll put in like my company, for example. And essentially, you're going to get domains like this, right? So you could just go ahead, copy and paste, right? And then head over to Porkbun, click bulk search, paste all them, click add available domains to cart, and then you'll click add to cart. Now, these domains, obviously for the sake of today's video, I'm not going to actually purchase anything. I just want to show you guys how it works. But essentially, pretend I purchased all of these domains. Now, what you'll do is you'll go to a platform called Premium Inboxes. This is the number one infrastructure tool we've seen. We've used so many at this point. We just noticed that this is the most high quality one. When you go ahead and create an account, you'll have all of your information here. And essentially with Premium Inboxes, because they have a native dashboard, they have a ticket system, a tagging system, an internal billing system, everything is super seamless. So you'll go and you'll click on right here, buy more inboxes. You'll click that, and then everything gets filled out accordingly, right? So for example, you'll put in the domain forwarding destination. So for example, it'll be like borks.io for me. We use Porkbun, okay, email password, paste in the domains here. What platform are we using? Which client, the actual client workspace name, all this kind of stuff. And then the email, how many inboxes? So I'll do like 100 inboxes, 2 email accounts per domain, which is what we do. For example, I'll do like Tyler and Eddie, whatever. You'll essentially fill in all this information, anything else you'd want. And then if you use code Lead Academy 20, you essentially get 20% off your first order as just a gesture of goodwill. So essentially, that's what we would do. Again, we set up the 50 domains, get attached to the 100 email accounts, and then you essentially get to send out as many emails you want using whatever sending platform you want, Smart Lead, Instantly, whatever you're looking for. And then you will be able to book in a lot of calls and close a lot of deals. Now, that's pretty much it. That's just a step-by-step tutorial. Pretty simple. We've kind of come to the age of cold email where it takes like 5 minutes to set everything up instead of manually going through Google and Outlook and doing everything yourself or getting a VA to do it. So the technology is pretty advanced now. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Quick step-by-step. If you guys did enjoy, please click on the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.